Okay, so today I'm going to be reading you a book about sea stars. Now, some people call them starfish, but the correct word is actually sea stars. So here we go. Sea stars live in oceans all over the world. Sea, sea stars come in many colors and sizes. Sea stars have a hard, bumpy body. Sharp spines cover their body. So do you see these spines? They're kind of like spikes. Sea stars have a mouth in the middle of their body. Sea stars have arms called rays. Sea stars have at least 5 rays. Some sea stars have more rays. So you see the ones on the left have 5, but wow, this one on the right, count how many rays this one has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Wow. Sea stars can lose their rays. Then a new ray grows back. Very interesting. Remember, we learned about that with other animals too. Sea stars have a groove on each ray. Each groove has rows of feet. Sea stars use their feet to crawl and to hold onto rocks. Sea stars use their feet to help them eat animals that have shells. A sea star pulls on each side of the shell with its feet. The shell opens. The sea star pushes its stomach through its mouth and into the shell. Wow. The sea star's stomach feeds on the soft food inside the shell. The sea star pulls in its stomach and it leaves the empty shell behind. So, if you're ever walking on the beach and you see empty shells, you never know. The animal inside that might have been a meal of a sea star. The end. Nice, short, easy book. So what we're going to do now is you are going to write me 2 to 3 sentences about something you learned about sea stars. Take a picture of it and record yourself reading it to me.